So today we are going to unbox this beautiful chair from Afterworks, Astron. So previously when I came here, I was living in a very small place. So I bought this chair, which was with me for 2 years. Although it was not so good, but I had to survive with it because I wanted to buy something very classy once and for all. Today we have this Astron gaming chair from Afterworks. अभी तो हम इसी चेयर पे बैठ के इसको अनबॉक्स करेंगे. It's a big place. So now let's unbox it. It's all taped from edge to edge. The packing is very tight for this. By the way, this whole package is of 25 kgs because of the size of the chair. The whole top of the chair. This is the beautiful whole back of it. You can see. Now we will just open it up. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at it. Look at this beauty. Wow, amazing. Oh my god, just look at this beauty. This whole texture, this whole shape of it. This is the back side of it. Beautiful red color, I love it. And then it's mixed with this net in center, Japanese touch, and this red. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, much better. Okay, I have this one more box here. That is tires, and they are 4D adjustable, up, down, side, left, right. Everything is doable. It's gonna be messy. Oh, we have this letter from them, I guess. This is actually your seat. Okay, I'll open it, but let me first move this away. So now that we have all the parts out and everything is with us, let's start with assembling it all. So assembling point of view, now here it tells us how many parts are there. I'm thinking on opening it here. I have it open here on their website too, so it's easier that way. So the very first is to put all the tires we have to the base of the chair. So let's open them up. If you can see the other camera. So this is how it looks like from underneath, and this is how it looks like a starfish. 5 tires in it, which is a good thing, a good balance for it. I would not like to give it scratches, so we'll use some sheet. We'll put it down. I guess we can use even this one. Yeah. And now we have to put all the tires on it. This is how it goes. Then you put it down like this. We don't need you now. Whole chair. So this is how it goes. So we have to put it in as mentioned here. So this side will stay up, this will go down, and You just put it here, that's it. See, there is no locking here or anything. You just put it, and then when pressure goes, it will get stuck. Because what it says is, this is responsible for adjusting the height of the chair. Slide the gas lift cylinder into the center of the chair where it should fit snugly. So it will be casual like that. We have this whole chair back, which we did not open at that time, but now is the time. And this is the hole where that cylinder will go of the tires. Let's see the seat itself. Wow, very soft and very nice. This will be fixed with that backrest, and we have to keep it aside for now. So this is the whole back of the seat, and this is how the front looks like. Now we have to fix the armrest to it. Let's take this one. Let's see where it goes. We will be snapping here. Bismillah. Yeah, this is it. This is how it goes. Now it's getting in. Good. Okay. I think part is very important. You cannot mess up the angle of it. Now we have to fix it with the seat, and this is our back. That's how it looks like. This is the back. It will snap in here. Now what we have to do is to fix these screws on this side of it. This is where the screw goes. You might not be able to see it properly. Seat is combined with the back rest. This is how it looks like right now. This is the whole chair. The back. I have to find the place first. It's down here. I guess it's done. It's on it. Does it go out? No. It is locked. And this is our new chair. Let's see how the controllers work. This goes up like this much. Then we have backrest movable up and down, and some angle to it as well, which I have to see how it goes. So this is our new chair, which is replacing this chair. This was a cheap one, but it has been there in the times where I didn't know how much time I'm spending in which place in the beginning when I came here. But now it's time to move to something good. So thank you. But now this is the new. Yeah.